Alrighty, so here we go. Let's go ahead and get to our sinking funds part 2 for the month of August. It's me, Mila Rose, and we're going to get right into it. So taxes. Don't we all love taxes? These are not in order inside of my little envelope thing anymore, so it might take a little time for me to figure out where stuff actually is in there, but we will make it. We are at $235 for taxes. 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 30, 35. $235 and it gets $45. So 20, 40, and 5. Okay, so that is... And I still have not told them to fix, and it's almost August. I have got to do that to fix and make sure I have the right... Ooh, I could take it down to 20. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna give myself a 20. Alright. 100, 20, 40, 60, 80. 1, 20, 40, 60, 80. 280 is where we are right now for taxes. So let me go ahead and put that in there. And let me go ahead and put this here. Oopsie. And then 280. Alrighty. Treadmill. Ooh, that's a new one. I don't know if that one has a envelope when I think about it. Electricity, lawn, gardening, HOA, phone and tech, hair and planner, health and, oh, treadmill. Found it. Okay. Saving for a treadmill. We've got 20 in there. It gets, ooh, I don't know how much this one actually gets. I think it'll just get whatever's left over. So let's come back to treadmill because I don't remember how much that's supposed to get. We'll come back to it. We'll come back to it. Okay. Who do we know? Health gets 5. Okay. And health was last time at 19. We'll see what it's at this time. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Perfect. And it gets 5. So there we go. Sounds great. So we're at 24 for health. Ooh, 24. Hair is getting 67 now. 67. So there's 20, let's see, 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, 67. There we go. And hair should have, I'm not sure how much hair has in it, honestly. So we'll just see. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 5, 6, 7, 207. I think it has more than what it's supposed to have, but I don't know. We'll see. 207. Because I didn't go and get my hair done over the summer. I'll be going in, I'll probably go in I usually go around the solstices and the equinoxes, but that would be late September, and I'm a little worried that it's still going to be so hot that like I'm gonna sweat out my silk press. So I'm wondering about waiting to go to like the first week in October. So changing it up like just a little bit, so I get a little bit more out of it. Because then I would go, because I'm not going in the summer anymore. If I go, I'm just gonna get it like trimmed, but I'm not going in the summer anymore. But so going in, if I go in October, then I won't go November, December. I could do January, and then I could do February, March, and April. So October, January, and April. That sounds about right. That sounds good. So yeah, so we'll plan to go 3 times a year. I need to have I think I'm trying to get to 200 because I want to have the tip put in there too. I don't know. I need to think about it. I'll figure it out. For now, I'll just keep putting the money in there. It's not a big deal. We're at 207 now. I think that's the other thing I like about sinking funds is that it's like you don't have to worry about it. If you don't need it, you move the money around, you use it for something different, all of that great stuff. Planner, apparently I have been using, says I had $8 last time. I do have $8. Planner gets another $5, so that's nice. I think I will switch those out and go ahead and give myself a 10. So now we're at $13, which is great because I actually have something I need to go print out, which is going to have to come out of the planner money. So it's good to have that. Okay, so now we're at 13. Miscellaneous gets 5. Let's see, I think I did use miscellaneous because I had one of my friends had her daughter's birthday, so I'm pretty sure. Okay, I had 5 left in there. It gets a 5, so we're at 10 for miscellaneous. At least we've got something in miscellaneous, so that's great. Okay, and then we have HOA, which will be due in October. And I think we we have one more month, and then we'll have all the money we're supposed to have for HOA. So it should be 136, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 30, 35, 36, and it gets 34, I believe. Yeah. So here's a 20, here's a 30, here is, oh, no, we need 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 34. So now we're at, put all this together, take these, put that, and then I'll probably steal back these ones, and then that, okay. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 30, wait, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 60, 70, 69, 70. So 170. I am going to take these ones though. Keep those, and I'll snatch up that 5. And there we go. So we're at 170. Oop, they don't want to go in there easily. Okay, there we go. HOA. Gardening needs to get 10. I don't even know where my gardening envelope is. I'll be real honest with y'all. I think it's inside of the in my cart. I don't even know how much is left in there. I'm constantly buying stuff for my garden, so who knows. On to the next one. Let's see. Phone gets 10. This is great because I did use recently from phone. I bought some headphones during the what's it called? During Prime, it was on Prime Day, so I spent up some money from both phone and from technology. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, yeah, 20, 40, 60, 80, 110. It gets a 10, so now we're at 120. So that's good. It didn't hurt too bad for that one. I had like nothing left in technology the last time I remember. We're at 120. And then, so technology is like hanging on with a crumb from what I can remember. Yeah, we have $6. So now we're at $16. Yay for us. So 16. Oh, I should have got change for that 20, as I can see now. Because now I have a 20 just sitting there. All right, so $16. And we gotta make this work. Let's see, so 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 1, 4. Let's see. what all we need. I know I already got change from spring, I believe. Okay, there's 2024 that we're working on, and I just have it, so I have to take the whole. I mean, if I had a 5, I could switch it out for that, but I definitely don't. So we're taking the whole 4, and now we're at 25. Yep, 25, and then let's see how we're gonna make summer work. Fall's coming up. I don't know what I'm gonna do for fall. Maybe to not do anything. Summer solstice for where are we? 2023? Cool. Oh yeah, because summer is over. Okay, summer already passed. All right, so we had 27. Our goal is, I believe, 45 maybe. Don't honestly remember. But we've got 27, so we're putting 4 in there. So, oh, we should have some change. Ooh, look at that. And I was worried about change. Okay. 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and then it's supposed to give 4. We have 2. 39. What? Wait. 20, 30, yes. Oh, this thing was already over. This is all wrong. Okay, anyways. 20, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 39. You know what? Probably because I added in from summer, but that should have been in July's. I don't know. That's confusing. Anyway, 39 is what we have. 40, 41, 42, 43 is what I should have total. So 43 is what I should have total. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back. I'm going to go ahead and grab this. I'm going to go ahead and take 1, 2, 3. There we go. So now we have 43. I think the total we're looking for is 48. The total we're looking for is 48. Okay. Much better. And now we have 43. So we're almost done with 2023. And then we'll be moving on to 2024. Okay. So 43. Perfect. All right. And now we've got 1s. Okay. So we get 4 more for fall. This one always takes the longest. All right. Where are we at? We've got 2023. Hold on. There's 2022. Okay. 2023 has 34. So 20, oh, 25. Oh, here's all the 1s again. Well, we can at least switch out a 10. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oop. Okay. And then add 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And put those. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trade that out for the 5. There we go. So now it's not so bulky. And our total we have is 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. Total of 38 buckaroos. Okay. 38. Exactly what it should be. So we're almost done for 2024, 2023, because we still have to get through 2022. 2023 for that one. And then last but not least, as always, we have spring. What do we have? Winter. There we go. Okay, here's winter for 2022. And we're at 21, and it gets 4. I don't have any 5s to switch out with, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're at 25, and we're good to go. 25 for 2022, and we're finished. Ooh, I'm trying to get this thing, there we go, okay, to to go to work the way I wanted to. Okay. And 25. Alright, so that lets me know then. Let me add it whatever I have left. Because that is how much it's supposed to go in treadmill. And then I can write that off to the side. And not be confused anymore. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, it gets $10 for the treadmill. Because I was like, I don't even know how much I had set aside for that. So it should be at $30. And let's go to treadmill, which is right under health. And we have a 20 in there, and we get 10 more. And oh, I should have known because there were just 10s in there. Slow. Special. Alrighty, there we go. Everybody's done. Progress, and we love to see it. And I'll figure out how much is supposed to be inside of gardening. I'll get that together. But that's it. Yay! Okay, our sinking funds for the month of August are done. And so, can y'all believe it? Oh, I need to clear these off, but there's only 4 more months left before it's 2023. I'm pretty sure everybody is ready for 2022 to be over, so I'm here for that. All right, y'all. That's it. I will see y'all later. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great one. Bye.